𝗬𝗏 Pocket Closet. 𝗬𝗏's Pocket Closet is a movable device that expands to reveal a stunning amount of storage space for clothes and other belongings, ideal for small homes. When closed, it seems to be an elegant, minimalist piece of furniture. This technologically advanced system can be easily expanded to disclose ample storage space when renters need it, and then contracted to return the space to the living quarters at the touch of a button. It has a sleek, futuristic design that includes shelves, a power display corner large enough for a TV, as well as a folded-down table that can be used as a desk. The 𝗬𝗏 Pocket Closet extends to give ample hanging and shelf space for garments and accessories, as well as LED closet lights. 𝗬𝗏's Pocket Closet comes in 3 colors. Choose between white, oak, and walnut, with your choice of 4 different sizes: 4 inches, 6 inches, or 8 inches, either with 1 or 2 sets of wheels. The structural integrity of Pocket Closet is guaranteed by the use of 75% popular plywood that has been coated with top-notch laminate and joined with heavy-duty fasteners. Because of its robotic components, the 𝗬𝗏 Pocket Closet can be moved with the press of just a button on the 𝗬𝗏 app or by voice command using a device connected to Google Assistant as well as Amazon Alexa. Tommy Jerry Bunk Bed. Need a space-saving sleeping setup? Here's a space-saving bunk bed that's simple to assemble: the Tommy Jerry Bunk Bed. The bunk bed Tommy Jerry is constructed from a premium furniture board that has been coated 3 times with safe water lacquer. The solution to the problem of not having enough room is given in the form of a stylish product: 2 beds that take up only 35 centimeters of floor space. It has the most cutting-edge opening system available and just requires 6 simple parts to assemble. Simply touching the bed allows it to move horizontally and effortlessly. Breaking the box. Most cabinets have one primary function: to store away little items. Simply opening their cabinets and drawers to search for an alternative or make a replacement is sufficient for interaction. However, such is not the case with breaking the box. It is a creative transformation of cabinets and credenzas, which is something that is not seen often, making it more attractive in the eye of the beholder. Sebastian Errázuriz launched Breaking the Box in 2019, and this is something that every homeowner would like to have in its home. As the name suggests, Sebastian's goal with this new line of sculptural cabinets and credenza is to force us to rethink our preconceived notions of how storage furniture should look and function. 𝗏𝗏 Smart Furniture. Do you want a space-saving kitchen arrangement? If so, here it is in the face of 𝗏𝗏 Smart Furniture. If your family loves having a barbecue together on a regular basis, this bedroom space-saving furniture is something that might interest you. This apartment's gourmet room with barbecue was created due to a lack of unused space. Since the built-in kitchen, barbecue, and table are hidden when the apartment is closed, the living room is much larger than it would be otherwise. A button adjacent to the MDF-lined wall activates the barbecue, allowing you to store the skewers inside once you press it. There's a key next to the piece of furniture, and when you turn it, it opens. When the door is fully opened, a light will turn on to illuminate the area. The bench that separates the rooms also features a minibar, some seats, and a compact closet. Charcoal storage drawer located at the bottom of the grill can be opened with a key. The keys are mounted on the wall, but they may be used to open the table all the way, thanks to the highly sturdy support system that springs into action. A hutch specifically designed for storing glasses is right next to it, keeping everything neat and orderly. The door locks with the use of a key, making moving and cleaning the furniture and the space easier. Multiple locks can be operated simultaneously. Milano Smart Living Ceiling Bed. Stop stressing if you want a little library at home but don't have the room for one. The Milano Smart Living Collection is ideal if you don't have a large home but still want to furnish it with full-sized pieces. It is fashionable, small, and practical in design. The up-ceiling bed is designed to be installed directly into your ceiling. The legs fold in when the chair is raised, and the user presses another button to fully lift the chair. Nobody will even notice that there's a bed up there because of how well it matches the ceiling. H2O Architects The Cabin. This tiny ski resort apartment in Menuet, France was created by H2O architects and has a curving wall with built-in storage and sleeping units. The entire room is carved by wood. It connects functions, generates a vast living space, and opens mountain views. This furniture wall combines everything you would need to go by, such as a kitchen, a bathroom, a mini library, a set of bunk beds, and some other pieces of furniture back to back. The furniture organizes the room in a more effective manner, utilizing the space in the best possible way while also being unique. It's not bulky, yet it maximizes its essential functions. The secondary method uses curtains that slide into the central wall to separate sleeping sections. Closing the curtains would give the owners more privacy. Filigrano kitchen. Do you really need a kitchen which provides many facilities and is easy to use? Here comes Filigrano Kitchen, which provides you with an amazing kitchen where you will find many things for your daily use. So let's check it out. Filigrano provides you with classic as well as modern designs. Classic Filigrano kitchens are elegant and warm, influenced by European tradition, but also efficient and utilitarian like German kitchens. In classic designs, doors are smooth or rusticated without excess, and the project's linearity is balanced by wood, brown, and pastel white colors. These classic kitchens offer a vast selection of finishes and accessories to make your cooking experience special. While in the modern collection by Filigrano Kitchens, there's the aesthetic standard and structural reliability that have made German kitchens famous around the world. Bright colors merge with modern technology and safety in this kitchen. Modern kitchens are a modular furnishing system full of possibilities for the most specific needs, whether you prefer handles or not. Despite the fact that it is a space-saving arrangement, Filigrano has a larger storage capacity. As a result, this kitchen layout makes more efficient use of space, provides more room for storage, and has an elegant look. Bloom frame. Do you have a window in your house but no balcony? If so, don't be sad, as Bloom Frame has brought new technology to the market which you'll love for sure. Here, let me elaborate in case you still don't get it. Bloom Frame is a movable and interactive glass facade that can be opened to the outside world at any time you want. It unfolds like a flower, giving you the freedom to crave. Easily convert the facade into a high-quality outdoor area at the push of a button. Its unique design allows it to construct transformable living areas in order to enjoy the weather and some fresh air during each season. In simple words, it is an innovative window which converts into a balcony. It is a wonderful blend of security, technology, and exquisite design. Bloom Frame can be utilized in existing and new residential buildings, offices, and hotels. Podium Atelier beds. Here is another space-saving setup which has great storage capacity. Being an expert, the Podium Atelier wouldn't disappoint you when it comes to convertible seating solutions like pull-out beds and underbed compartments. If you are living in a small apartment or studio flat, then pull-out beds are a great option. The Podium pull-out beds today are remarkably easy to use. They open and close effortlessly. You can store the books and all that household clutter you've gathered inside underbed compartments, making your living area more organized. They are perfect for especially smaller compartments and people with frequent stay-over guests. In short, Podium Atelier beds are easy to use and practical. 𝗀𝗄𝗋 Duo Board. Another space-saving technology in the face of 𝗀𝗋𝗋 Duo Board. The 𝗀𝗋𝗋 Duo Board is a revolutionary bunk bed wall system with a 7-foot-long integrated desk, allowing you to quickly and easily convert any room into a study or bedroom. 𝗀𝗋𝗋 Duo Board has twin XL bunk beds, a lockable ladder, a padded upper safety barrier, and an upper storage box. Its mattresses can be used without affecting the desk's level because of its smart pivoting mechanism. 𝗀𝗋𝗋 Duo Board has concealed pistons, a revolutionary soft open or closed system, and a tilting top bunk. All of this comes at a price of $9,480, but hey, it's worth it given you get 2 beds and a lot more while still saving space. Venice Single Bed and Cradle. Do you want to buy a cot that your child can use from infanthood to ages 4 or 5? If so, this is certainly an investment for the long haul. Therefore, there is no longer any reason for you to be concerned because 𝗏𝗏 will offer you with a cot that can effortlessly be converted into a single bed. 𝗏𝗏 ensures the comfort of your baby in this baby cot so that your little one can sleep soundly and undisturbed through the night. The cot comes equipped with a chair for the caregiver, and the chair's back features 3 drawers for storing away infant essentials. Once your child outgrows the baby cot, you don't need to buy a single bed for him or her anymore, as the cot can be transformed into a bed. As opposed to buying a separate baby cot and a single bed, parents can save money by purchasing this baby cot, which is capable of being converted to a single bed. The 𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏 Bunk Bed Couch Transformer. Another thing that serves 2 purposes in one is the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏, which provides you with the technology where a couch can be converted into the space-saving comfort of a bunk bed. Yeah, it's a couch which converts to a bunk bed, which is big enough to accommodate 2 adults. Simply by raising the seat's base, the whole setup is raised. Once you've secured it with the integrated ladder and opened the safety rails, you have the option of sleeping on either the top or bottom bed. It's incredibly practical and simple to operate. It only takes about a minute to transform the entire couch into bunk beds. In addition to being soft to the touch and long-lasting in build, the fabric used is also very easy to maintain. The foam inserts or cushions may be removed, washed by hand, and replaced as needed. If you like the video, check out this video, construction tools and equipment that every worker must have.